Section 10. Food.
An tarán,
The bread.
an tíim,
The butter.
an
The
cháis,
cheese.
an bainne,
The milk.
lítar,
A litre.
kilogram,
A kilo.
builín aráin,
A loaf of bread.
kilogram cáise,
A kilo of cheese.
lítar bainne,
A litre of milk.
an sov,
The jam.
an cafe,
The coffee.
an tuachtar,
The cream.
an ov,
An egg.
na hivacha,
Eggs.
an piobar,
The pepper.
an salam,
The salt.
an siúcra,
The sugar.
an té,
The tea.
an anra,
The soup.
an mustard,
The mustard.
punt,
A pound.
lafúnt,
Half pound.
dosain,
A dozen.
krúsca,
A jar.
punt cafe,
A pound of coffee.
le lítar uachtar,
Half litre of cream.
dosain ivacha,
A dozen eggs.
kilogram siúcra,
A kilo of sugar.
kilogram saling,
A kilo of salt.
krúsca mustard,
A jar of mustard.
an bhairteoil,
The beef.
an sicín,
The chicken.
an bhuiceol,
The pork.
an léol,
The veal.
an uinol,
The lamb.
an tiasc,
The fish.
an líomhás,
The ham.
an sliseog,
The slice.
an spóla,
The joint.
an gríscín,
The chop.
head a funt maistóla,
4 pounds of beef.
ein sicín a bháin,
1 chicken.
spóla muiceola,
A joint of pork.
gríscíní uinóla,
Lamb chops.
slisóg, líomhás,
A slice of ham.
úl,
An apple.
aráiste,
An orange.
banana,
A banana.
roint fion chéire,
Some grapes.
anan,
A pineapple.
sútalún,
A strawberry.
limóid,
A lemon.
héiteog,
A peach.
tora,
A fruit.
roint úl,
A few apples.
ba bhailm roint úl,
I would like some apples.
cévéad atá funt úl,
How much does a pound of apples cost?
bhfuil úla díalagat,
Do you have apples?
ba bhailm gá limóid, gá aráiste agus banana le dhail. Cévéad atá thú talún le dhail,
How much are the strawberries, please?
ba bhailm roint torthaí,
I would like some fruit.
roint péiteog, limóid a bháin agus anan a bháin,
A few peaches, 1 lemon, and 1 pineapple.
an práta,
The potato.
an caréad,
The carrot.
an tiniún,
The onion.
an pónada glas,
The green bean.
an cabáiste,
The cabbage.
an cúcamar,
The cucumber.
an letíis,
The lettuce.
dair,
Deer.
rógáir,
2 deer.
sair,
Cheap.
ní léon charéad fáca,
There are no carrots left.
tá na prátaí sair,
The potatoes are cheap.
an bhfuil na prátaí dair,
Are the carrots dear?
tá gá funt chloch,
They are 2 pounds a stone.
tá na pónarí glasa an dair,
The green beans are very dear.
tá an cabáiste an sair,
The cabbages are very cheap.
tá an letíis rógáir,
The lettuce is too dear.
na siopaí,
The shops.
siopa an bhústéire,
The butcher shop.
siopa an bhácéire,
The baker's shop.
an siopa glasraí,
The vegetable shop.
an tolmharaga,
The supermarket.
cad ba bhaith leat,
What would you like?
de bingen le dhail.
That is 10 pence.